are so smart. It's been a while. Please forgive me. You're lovely. I love you. My ex-girlfriend's boyfriend's got a band. Writes love songs about her. And from what I understand, he's the expert now at taking off her clothes. He's got 2 songs on the radio. I wish I'd written those. My ex-girlfriend's boyfriend's got a band. I have to pull this slightly closer to me. I can't reach it. Sorry. My ex-girlfriend's boyfriend's got a band. Writes love songs about her, even I can understand. And he's got a certain something, I suppose. New songs on the radio, and this is how it goes. This is him singing, I don't want to live in this world anymore. I don't want to live in this world anymore. He doesn't want to live in this world anymore. Where can I find true love? Where can that man find true love? My ex-girlfriend naked on the sand. A summer's day several years ago, when I was still her man. I was the expert then at taking off her clothes. But that's all ancient history. That's the way it goes. And I've been working on my keyboards, practicing guitar, taking lots of bass lessons to expand my repertoire. My new girlfriend, 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 my new girlfriend's boyfriend has got a band.